This is the Bodum ASSAM tea maker. I really like it because it's a really nice size, it's really lightweight, and best of all, if you take off the lid here, there is this compartment on the inside that comes out, but what you can do is you can actually put whatever tea leaves or, whatever you use to make tea, you can go ahead and put it in here. And so, your leaves and all of the tea components will just keep steeping in the hot water. So what you do is I'm gonna make some barley tea, and I've got my barley right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put about, I want it kind of strong, so I'll do about maybe 6 spoonfuls of this. I think we're at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then all you have to do is add hot water. And thankfully I have hot water. I have like a hot water dispenser right over here, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just put some hot water in. It is I'm gonna let it steep for probably like 5 minutes and it'll be done. But it's really nice because the mesh on the inside makes sure that all of the little parts of like the barley or the tea leaves don't get all over the tea, so you just have a nice clean liquid, which is really nice. And we've had this particular one for about, I want to say 3 to 4 years, and we had a friend who loved it so much when he was over, and we gifted him one as well, and now they use it all the time. It's really easy to pour out the tea as well once it's fully steeped and you're done making it. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab the lid that I took off earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and put it up on top, and I press it down to just make sure that the barley, in my case, or for you it could be tea leaves, are pressed all the way down to the bottom. And now we just wait and we'll have a wonderful cup of tea.